Out 3D Products. I'm Donald Williams. We're going to go over a couple of questions we've had in regards to AAT correction glaze. The name implying that this is a glaze that also has an capability of filling as a typical glaze does. But as far as a non-typical glaze, it has a cutting and correction power to be able to take a car's body panel that has the light towel mark scratches and everything, actually remove those instead of just filling those. So what we've done here is we've filled this side of the car in using 505 glaze as the glazed version of this. Again, everything that's going to have a little bit of any wax or anything that's going to have a little bit of a fill to it. So the idea that this is a glaze is very acceptable. It takes over and it creates a nice bright shine, dulls out or covers up a lot of the light scratches. Your heavy scratches are going to need some help, obviously. Any glaze is going to need to do that. But with this glaze, the correction glaze is going to be able to now take this into a different step. So we moved the line over, and I'm actually going to go with our K58 SW, which is a Spider white pad. It's a nice polishing pad. It's got a little bit more cutting ability. It's a little thinner. Keeps the heat down. You can be a little bit more accurate. If you want to be even more aggressive, you can go with our K56 SDP. It's our Spider dark purple pad. Okay. The Spider cuts and take and enhance the cutting ability about 15%. Then we have our all-in-one or Wonder Pad. It's anywhere from, if you were to go on a scale of 1 to 10 on your cutting range, it'd be anywhere from polishing at your 2 or 3 all the way up to your 8 or 9 as far as your cutting goes. It's an amazing pad. This has the same type of features as that. We had this one built for the larger 8-inch pads. I'm going to take and, because it's a newer pad, I want to give it a little quick dab. I'm going to take my 505 here. Okay, cover the pad up. Now I don't really have to worry so much about conditioning the whole pad, spreading this product out, because it does it on its well. The lubrication is so well with it, it just glides over the whole pad and gets you good coverage. So we want to remove a little bit more pad or more scratches here. I'm still going to keep it. It says 900 RPM, so to keep it at. Just so you guys know, I'm not using a lot of heat with the foam to be able to do this correction. I'm actually depending and relying on the abrasives that are actually in this 505 product. I'll just go a little bit slower, allow my pad and the 505 to cut even more, keeping it nice and flat, not applying any pressure. You can tell that the hood is not bending or flexing. Clean this area up. Again, a little goes a long way. Go over back and forth, nice and even. Again, now, just to show you the value of this product, I have used very little amount of product to do this whole hood. This helps out because then you're not stopping and starting and stopping and starting, not redoing your work, not missing where you started, not missing where you finished. You can continue to do what you need to do here, get all the work done, and really focus on your job. You're not really worried about product consumption because, again, a little goes a long, 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 long way. There we go. Little went a long way. Still have plenty of product on here to do all the job. Do a little bit more of a job here. I'm going to take now, remove the tape. Hopefully get you guys a nice distinct difference here between what a fill does, just doing it as a fill, and doing it as real paint correction. Again, there's going to be some scratches, but you have no swirls. You have nice, good protection, and you removed a lot of the towel marks and any holograms there might be. So this is the glaze. This is, which is the filling part, and this is the actual correction time. We appreciate you guys taking the time to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and we appreciate the questions and some comments you guys are giving on Facebook. That way we make sure we understand where you're coming from, have better explanations of some of the products. Please feel free to ask some more questions, comment, make some of your posts, remarks, and also post a lot of the good stuff you guys have. A lot of things you guys need to show everybody and on how well our products are working for you. Again, until next time, I'm Donald Williams with 3D International. We'll see you soon.